Hey guys, it's RVC here and I'm back again with another video. Today I have the Casio Edifice ECB-900BP-1AER. I got this watch because of the tough solar and the Bluetooth technology. Let's see if it's worth your money. The overall build quality is great, at least for the price. It is built with stainless steel, which will definitely make it more durable. The glass is mineral crystal, although I would have liked sapphire glass. But that's not the case here. Anyway, I wouldn't complain much. The straps are made from resin. Other models come with stainless steel bracelet, but I prefer the resin, hence went for this model. The clasp is stainless steel as well. The watch face combines analog and digital, which is okay to some users, while bummers to others. Personally, I think it's okay, since the digital watch can be used for other purposes, like viewing reminders. I will talk about that later in the video. Everything is well placed and can be viewed at a glance, from date to the battery gauge. By the way, the digital display can be switched to show either digital time or the date. Apart from telling the time, you have the option of measuring elapsed time. You can set the timer, alarm, and see the world time. This can be done using the mode button. Setting all that using the watch is not really the best experience. That's why I would suggest the Edifice connected app. Using this app makes a lot of the settings way easier. Once you have your Bluetooth on, then it's very easy to connect. The app offers a lot of functionalities to the watch. You can view the user guide all the way to the settings of the world time. I think Casio offers up to 39 cities for this watch. My favorite thing about the app is you have the option of either 5 alarms or 5 reminders. You can set a reminder or alarm annually, monthly, daily, or once. I like this feature a lot. Here are all the settings you should expect within the app. Well, that's it about the watch. Do I recommend it? Well, for the build quality and some features, yes. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.